There you go. We have an error. It says package javafx.application does not exist. Well, to be precise, this is just one of a couple of errors we get. As you can see in the side, you have package java.fxml does not exist, and so on. Okay, these errors or error just telling you that you do not have javafx SDK configured yet. To fix that, let's download javafx SDK. javafx download. There you go. Click this javafx, and here just click this download. Perfect. Just select the corresponding javafx for your platform or OS. We are using JDK 15, so I will pick the latest release, which is 15.0.1. If you recall, we just used JDK 15, right? Here. Okay. I'm currently using Mac OS, so this is what I will download. If you're using Windows, just download the corresponding installer. If you're using Windows, just download the corresponding SDK. Now let's check this download file, and we just need to open this zip file to unzip that. There you go. We have this folder. Check this out, making sure we have the jars we need. Okay, base, controls, XML, graphics. Let's configure this app. Go to File, Project Structure. See here, you have your project SDK. It's set to JDK 15. That's very good. Now, let's go to Modules. And click these dependencies here. See this? There you go. Go here and click Add and Jars and Directories. There you go. We're going to proceed to where you save the javafx SDK and specify or select the jars that we need. And so we'll include this base, the controls, XML, graphics. That's about it for now. You can always add what else you need there. Alright, here just check them out. Check this. And as we're going to click apply, take note of the error in red at the back. Apply, there you go. It fixed the issue or error. And click OK. Now it's fixed. You are set. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.